everybody, Sean here. So I just planted this carambola, otherwise known as a star fruit, a couple of weeks ago, and I am so excited because look at this. Not only do we have some beautiful flowers, but look at this. Look at this. That is just a thing of beauty. And then, just because it is going to be a good season, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more, 6, 7, 8. I am going to be eating some star fruit, and then look, more of these buds. How great is this? I am so excited. Carambola likes slightly acidic soil, so besides putting some pine bark nuggets down, I gave it a little shot of some acidic fertilizer. If you want to know what type I use or recommend, you can always DM me. Oh, here's another one hiding out. Look at this. Look at this. I happen to love star fruit. Anyway, and then we covered it with some pine bark in the hole when we planted it. I used a good deep soil amending builder here, because as you can see, the soil here in lovely Florida is not really soil. So I used bumper crop. It's what I plant everything in. It is the only thing that I will go on record and recommend. It is just, my tree is doing great. The yellow leaves apparently are quite normal, because I'm still learning how to grow this. No shock, but it has been just a pleasant surprise how wonderful this is doing right here on the side of the driveway. We have a slight berm here, so we get good runoff and good drainage, which is important. I mean, just so happy. The other thing I use is a lot of are the tree bags, the watering bags. And so this one here happens to be a donut that somebody at a company had sent me, Gator Bag had sent me to try out. And so I will say it works really good. You fill the water there, holds up about 7 gallons of water, slow drips it out. So, but man, am I excited. Look at this. Just beautiful. So yeah, treated Gator bags. This is the ring. I actually like the bag better than the ring. It's easier to fill, easier to see when it goes down, but this one's so close to the house, and they were nice enough to let me try it out. So yeah, man, carambola up, 2 more. Look at these. Look at this. God, I'll be selling star fruit down on the side of the road and pretty soon. Wow. So yeah, so again, carambola, star fruit, likes a slightly acidic soil. We tested ours, it was a little over 7, so we hit it with an acid-based fertilizer, slow released organic, so it breaks down over time. It'll be a 3-time a year fertilization in this area. Pine bark nuggets on top, because pine bark will break down slowly. Soil amendment, I use Bumper Crop by Master Nursery. You can look for the links, or you can direct message me, and I can tell you where to get it. But yeah, it's just a great tree. I'm really so happy, so proud of this tree. So look at that, man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 definite confirmed yummy star fruit coming to daddy here. Doesn't get much better than that. All right, guys, happy planting.